Typical sort of Memorial Day forecast. We do have a chance of a couple of showers and storms later on today. And in fact, we have a daily rain chance this week. So getting into a pretty summer-like pattern with that, as well as with the heat. And it might be a little less humid, so a little something to look forward to toward the end of the week. Not today, though. Our hot weather is here for sure. We're expecting our feels like temperatures up to 108. Now, we're not there yet. We're around 100. We may get to near 105. I'm not sure if we'll actually get as high as 108 later today, but we will increase our temperature a little bit more. So until about 8 p.m., just use your precautions. Remember, stay hydrated with lots of water. Remember to take breaks if you're outside. If you start feeling a little tired or weak or a bit faint, remember, just kind of take it easy. Find some cool air conditioning or shade. You know the drill this time of year. It's going to be hot and humid. We have a hazy look as well. That's from a bit of smoke moving in from way to our southwest, actually. And we're seeing a bit of that kind of haze over our area from some of these Central American wildfires, kind of sending that little layer that you may notice that looks a bit hazy. We also have some clouds in the area. We have some breaks of sunshine as well. So a little bit of everything today. Temperatures are actually very close to 90, not quite at 90 just yet. Our winds are mainly from the southwest today, and our feels like temperature close to 100, or even some spots saying low triple digits. Here are those clouds, and you can see them filtering in from the north and northwest. And we do have a pretty quiet kind of setup for much of the nation that has been seeing, as you heard, all that severe weather over the weekend, especially North Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, and spots like that. Our severe risk for today is a level 2 along the East Coast. Where we are, though, it's a level 1, so not a very high chance of severe weather overall, but we will at least have a risk of a couple of high wind gusts, maybe a little hail. The main thing, I think, it will just be those kind of standard afternoon storms later on today. Not for everybody, but where they do form, they could be on the strong side. So most of our area included with that risk. I'm showing you a different model from the one I was showing you earlier at the top of the newscast. Now we're looking at our high resolution model. And this one also is showing a few showers and storms popping up late this afternoon. This is by 4 and 5 p.m. And then we'll fast forward to 8 p.m., maybe still a bit of rain out there. And then on toward tonight, it does turn quieter. We'll move into tomorrow and show you that next round of a couple of showers or storms. This is by 3 p.m. tomorrow, pretty quiet. But this model does want to bring in some storms from the west, and that may be a trend with that chance of rain pretty much daily all the way through at least Thursday this week. This is by 7 and then on toward 10. Again, we should see any afternoon or evening storms falling apart as we lose that daytime heating. Today, high temperatures, I have about 93, feeling like up to 105, and a few showers and storms late. So just a heads up, you might have a bit of that to deal with, but a lot of us just kind of dealing with the heat and humidity for much of the day. And that may be the case for some spots even into this evening, although there will be that chance for rain. Tonight, we'll be back in the 70s, mostly dry as we get past about 10 or 11 p.m. Couple of isolated storms earlier in the night possible, and then it looks quieter after that. And we do have a surface front that will sneak in this week. It might bring our humidity down a little bit. I was saying earlier, maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a slight break in the humidity. It shouldn't be really extreme or very October-like, but we are going to feel, I think, at least a little bit of a change in that mugginess. And also our temperatures will go down a little bit too. Notice our rain chances. This is such a summer-like looking 7-day forecast where you have a daily chance for those spotty showers and storms. I think by late Thursday and into Friday, our rain chance should go down, maybe even lower than that 20% on Friday. We'll see. And then for the weekend, pretty standard weather, upper 80s expected for highs, and a decent chance for a couple of spotty showers and storms, mostly afternoon to evening.